Don't turn around.
All right, go.
I'm in the front. Hey guys, so we're going to go. Go up the hill. It's gonna be hard. There's a lot of stuff happening. So then when we get to the fire hydrant, one pedal, and it'll take us up, down. So it's just gonna take us. And Aiden, he's trying to go ahead, but then no, I'm not. I'm just going to go around him. And he's over there. I take the lead. Everything goes better. And now I'm just enjoying the relaxation. It's going downhill. It's kind of fun. And like always, there's something in the way. And he's right there. And here's our house. What's up? Did you hear me talk?
No, because it loses connection if I'm not near you.
Oh.
All right, we're done. All right, this is still recording.
Can I try?